Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create HTML forms input and display in PHP. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Select all. Leave a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. One of the most basic problem of beginning programmers in PHP programming language is how to integrate or combine PHP and HTML forms. Basically, when you are evolving to become a PHP developer, you are not only studying about the front end, but most importantly, you have to be aware on how to use the language to interact with the database. By default, the basic database used primarily in PHP is MySQL. Actually, we can use different types of database management software just like MySQL Server, Oracle, Postgre. But basically, if we are using SAMP, the default database management software that is installed is MySQL. So here in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you the basics because there are so many web developers that are new with PHP or starting out as a web developer or PHP developer has a very hard time understanding on how HTML forms in PHP works together. For me, when I started around 11 or 12 years ago, this is the primary challenges and problems that I encounter. So it started here. We have here index.php, so we have here the title, HTML forms, input and display in PHP. We have here the style. Okay, so basically we will start in line number 14 up to 29. I will explain. So one of the most basic command for error cropping is error underscore reporting to 0. It will suppress any error during the execution of your program. But during the development, I suggest to put a comment by putting double slash so that you can see any errors during your program development and execution. So we have here 4 variables: $display, first name, middle name, and last name. So for displaying the value in the same page, I'm using $_post, first name, middle name, and last name. This first name, middle name, and last name, we will see that later in our input type text later on in our program. So next, when we press the button submit, this one, the name submit, it will pass through in this command. If I set, meaning there is a variable $post submit, then it will display the result in uppercase letter, the first name, the middle name, and then the last name, which is temporarily stored in our $display variable. Observe properly that equals, because we are your continuation of the display of this value. The str to upper is a function in PHP that will capitalize any string to its display. One of the tips guys that I would like to share with you, because PHP is a language that has so many functions, actually so many built-in functions. So it will display, and then if the user will click the clear button, this variable here in our input type submit, the same thing with submit here, it will clear the variables here. Okay, so here we have your variables for first name, this one, middle name, and then name, last name, submit. And then we have here the display, echo $display. I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the complete program listing. Okay, so the best advice that I can give you is to play with this code. You can copy and then you try to experiment, because the fastest way to learn a program is to write and make some debugging and making mistakes, so you will be familiarized, no, of the on how the code works. Okay, now in this portion of our tutorial, we have already running open the file index.php, so it displays this on the screen, HTML forms input in display in PHP. First name, let's say for example we have here Bill William Gates. First name Bill, middle name William, last name Gates. When we click the submit button, it will display first name Bill, uppercase William, middle name and last name Gates. When I click the clear button, it will clear the text fields including below, and then it will ask again a set of input values, no? So let's say for example Vilma Tan Smith. So the first name of the person is Vilma, the middle name is Tan, and then last name is Smith. When I click the submit button, so we have here the result. Vilma, first name Vilma, middle name Tan, last name is Smith. When I click the clear button, again it will clear up, no? So another example, Jose Cruz, Ang, first name Jose, middle name Cruz, last name Ang. Click the submit button, so we have here the result. First name Jose, middle name Cruz, and then last name Ang. Now, this is the end of our tutorial video, guys. I hope that you have learned something new on how to integrate HTML forms, input and display in PHP. This is the basic skill set and knowledge to would be a web developer who will be using PHP as their primary web programming language. So if you have some question, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.